In our pond this morning, we had a great number of birds. The great egret that we see here. Another great egret, and now we go out into the pond and there's lots of double-crested cormorants and brown pelicans. And a snowy egret. And here we have great blue herons, great egrets, snowy egret. Now we're coming back to the great egret. Out in the pond we had double-crested cormorants, the brown ones. Oh, those bugs, they keep bugging me. There's a small snowy egret. Oh, I wonder what you say there, Mac. Oh, I guess I'll just take a walk. What do you see, Charlie?